Hi everyone, I'm Miss Leslie from the Post Road Library here with today's Family Quest Challenge. We're going to bring you a new Family Quest Challenge every Tuesday afternoon so we can have fun together even though we're all at home. Our Family Quest Challenges will include things like scavenger hunts, STEM activities, and arts and crafts, and that's what we're doing today. We're going to make this super sweet little sock bunny out of things you probably have at home right now. It's fun for the whole family, super easy. In fact, I was making this with my youngest child a few days ago, and my 20-year-old walked by and said, "Oh, that's so adorable, I want to make one." And so he joined in on the fun too. To make your own, you will need a clean sock, some rice or lentils, a pair of scissors, a few rubber bands, a Sharpie, and this is optional, but if you have some ribbon, it makes a nice touch. This idea comes to us from Miss Jasmine at feelingnifty.com. We will include a link to the full tutorial in the description box below, but in a nutshell, what you're going to do is fill your sock with rice or beans, use rubber bands to section off the body and the head, use scissors to cut the ears, and then put a cute little face on the top with marker and finish it off with a bow. We would love to see your sock bunnies if you choose to make your own, so please tag us on Facebook or Instagram. We're at Forsyth PL on Facebook and at Forsyth Public Library on Instagram. Please get your parents' permission and help if you're posting photos online. And to protect your privacy, it's a good idea not to include your face in the photo and to not include your last name in the description. Well, that's it. I hope that you have fun making sock bunnies and that your family enjoys this project as much as my family and I have. Please stay safe, and I hope to see you all soon.